Hello guys, I'm going to show you a few tools I have at home that I use to do some DIY jobs. It's not all the time you have to bring in someone to do some jobs for you. There are actually some jobs you can do by yourself and you save yourself some money. So I have these few tools here in my drawer. So whenever I want to do something, something very quick or something handy that doesn't need me bringing in professional to have it done for me, so I use these tools to have them done. Firstly, I'm going to show you this one. So this one I use it if I want to use it to flatten your filler on the wall. Let's assume you have a hole on the wall, maybe a nail hole, so you get a filler. So this is what you use to flatten it down to make sure it laps and to make sure it laps properly on the wall. Then you can now paint it over. This is it. And we'll have this one. These are my spanners. So you see there are different sizes, so the sizes vary. This one is 13 and this one, they all have different sizes, I must say, and this one is 14. So they have different sizes, so depending on the screw I want to use it on, that would determine the one I'm coming for or I'm gonna use. And we'll have this one. I use this one to kind of tighten something. So this one, and my hammer. I use a hammer to if I want to put a hole on the wall, I use hammer to push it in properly on the wall. And I have my screwdrivers. So this one are the same, they all have flat surface. So see this one, all the ends are quite flat, so there are different types. So I have one you can actually use to screw in. Now look at it. If you see, this one has a different tip from the other ones, so I use this one to screw in maybe nails or a knot. Yeah, and also have another screwdriver here. I have loads of them, so just to make sure I don't have to be looking for the perfect one or the one that will fit the one I want to use it for. So I tend to have different types when I want to use it. I don't have to be looking for the perfect one too. So I just bring it all of them in and then look for the one that fits and use it for. This one is my longer hammer. You can see this one is longer than the other one. Yeah. Also guys, just thought to show you guys my handy tools. You don't always have to bring someone to have some jobs for them to come in and do your jobs for you. There are actually things you can do yourself, and I must say they can be quite therapeutic. I like to do this job because it's a good way to relax, unwind, do some DIY jobs. So this is what I do. And I have my tools in my drawer, in my tools box, and these are the things I use, and their jobs vary. So I just thought to show you guys. Okay, I'll see you guys. Cheers, bye.